Evening, everybody. Come on, dive in, unbox these supplies with me. I'm excited. These are my labels. Real colors, pretty pinks, purples, just like I like them. I struggled a little bit with those boxes. I had to pull my blade out. Next, I have my electric wax melting pot. No stove for me right now. Don't have to use it when I got little good knickknacks like this. You see my little helper over here? It came with the instruction manual. It had a little top, a removable cord, and a little spatula to come with it. It wasn't heavy either, nice, lightweight. Temperature dials on the front of it. Next, I have my silicone molds coming up. They were so cute. So now I'll be able to do things in different shapes. That was so cute. Oh, he's such a good helper. My baby's such a good helper. It also came with some different shapes of these little silicone molds came. I'm excited. I'm sorry, I just lost myself. And last, they came with the wicks, the wick holders, and the wick stickers. You all tap in, be on the lookout. I have new inventory come out. Meek Scent-sationals scented candles. Do not forget it. Go follow it, like, share. Love you.